Welcome to the ANPS channel, students. Welcome to the ISSO Class 8 practice. Today, I'm going to discuss about Chapter 8, Colonialism and Urban Change. So let's get started. First question from this side. For administrative purpose, colonial India was divided into 3 presidencies. Which among the following was not among them? Options: Bombay, Delhi, Madras, Bengal. The correct options from this area is option B, Delhi. Which of the following cities deurbanized during the 19th century? Option. This is also a series based question. So the correct options are Bombay, Machilipattanam, Surat, Seringetipam. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option B, means option 2 Machilipattanam, option 3 Surat, and option Pam Seringetipattam. Next, select the odd one out of the basis of the Shahjahanabad. Option: Lahori Gate, Kashmiri Gate, India Gate, Delhi Gate. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is India Gate. Next question: who established Chandni Chowk? Options: Shah Jahan, Jahanara Begum, Mumtaz Mahal, Noor Jahan. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option B. Next questions from here. Who said this line about Delhi? The streets are not mere streets. They are like the album of painter. Options: Mirza Ghalib, Shah Jahan, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Mir Taqi Mir. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option D, Mir Taqi Mir. In 1803, the British gained control of Delhi after defeating the Dash. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is Marathas, Sikhs, Mughals, and Rajputs. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option A, Marathas. Next questions. Modern Delhi, as we know today, developed only after Dash, when it became the capital of British India. Options: 1900, 1991, 1934, 1947. The correct options I'm going to choose it from this area is option B. Next, many refers to the period from 1830 to 1857 as a period of the Delhi Dash. Options: rebirth, Gulfarashan, style, and renaissance. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option D, renaissance. Next, where was the capital of the British Empire before Delhi? Options are Agra, Madras, Bangalore, Calcutta. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option D, Calcutta. Next, in 1911, when King George V was crowned in England, a darbar was held in Dash to celebrate the occasion. Options: Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Agra. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option A, Delhi. Next, 2 architects Dash and Dash were called on the designs New Delhi and its buildings. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is Edward Lytton's, Herbert Baker, Le Corbusier. So the correct options I'm going to choose from question number 11 is option B, means Edward Lytton and Herbert Baker only. Next question, the question number 12. Select the incorrect statements. Options are: New Delhi took nearly 5 years to build. The large migration from Punjab changed the social milieu of Delhi. Next, the central dome of Viceroy Palace was copied from Buddhist stupa of Sachi. The architects wanted New Delhi to represent a sense of law and order. The correct options from there I'm going to choose from this area is option A. New Delhi took nearly 5 years to build. Next question, which among the following buildings were built by the British? Options are Rashtrapati Bhavan, India Gate, Parliament House, all of this. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option D, all of this. Next, select the incorrect match. Following pairs are Plant City, Old Delhi, Port City, Calcutta, Hill Station, Simla, Cantonment Town, Lansdowne. So the particular correct one answer I'm going to choose from this area is the Plant City, Old Delhi. Next questions from this area. Who was built Shahjahanabad? Options are Aurangzeb, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option D, Shah Jahan. Next, towns such as Dash and Dash, which were famous for their textiles, become less important. Options are Decca, Murshidabad, Madras, Delhi. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option A, Dhaka and Murshidabad. Next, the British annexed large parts of India. The native rulers were displaced. As a result, there was a steepy fall in the demand for dash goods. The options are cheap, luxury, common, household. The correct options I'm going to choose from here is option B, luxury. Next question from here. Which among the following was not a port city? Options are Bombay, Calcutta, Madras, Ooty. The correct options I'm going to choose from here is option D, Ooty. Next, Dash was the summer capital of the British from 1864 till 1939. Options are Darjeeling, Shimla, Bombay, Ooty. The correct options from here I'm going to choose is option B, Shimla. Next, India Gate was originally called Dash. Options are War Gate, Delhi Gate, Victoria Memorial and All India War Memorial. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option D, All India War Memorial Gate. Next questions have some series based pattern. Because this is the kind of a competitive examination, that's why it's already been there. So 21 number is match the following and select the correct options. Column 1, column 2. Column 1, Dargah, Khanwak, Idgah, Kaldesak. Column 2, a Sufi lodge, an open prayer place, street with dead end, tomb of Sufi saint. So the correct options I'm going to choose from number 21 is option C. Why? You can see it from here when I crossified it. Tomb, a Sufi saint, goes to the Dargah. Next, number 1, Sufi lodge, goes to B, Khanwak. Next, number 2, an open prayer place, goes to Idgah. Next, street with a dead tomb, goes to the Kuldesak. Next question, and arrange the cities Delhi in order in which they were built. Options: Kotla, Firoz Shah, Siri, Tughalbad and Shahjahanabad. The correct options or correct series I'm going to choose from over here, number 22 is option B. Why? You can see it from over here. You can see it from here. Option B is related to the Roman 1. Okay. Option B is particularly the clear segment. This area is CD. Next questions from this area. So in order to following these particularly cities, we have to order in the following way. So option B is first. So B is the one. Next is, we can say C2, Tughlaqabad. Next is A is Firoz Shah, Kotla Firoz Shah, and next is Shahjahanabad. This is the main series. Next question, number 23. The British wanted Roman 1 to forget its Mughal past, Roman 2 in particular were either destroyed or put to other uses. The Zinat al-Masjid was converted into a Roman 3. Now worship was allowed in the Jama Masjid for Roman 4 years. So the correct options I'm going to choose from here. You can see it from this area. Option B. The British wanted Delhi to forget its Mughal past. Mosques in the particular were either destroyed or put other uses. The Zinat al-Masjid was converted into a bakery. No worship was allowed to in Jama Masjid for 50 years. For particularly the 5 years, not 50, the 5 years. Okay, next questions I'm going to discuss over here. Read the following sentences and choose which one are true and which one are false. Options. In the Western world, modern cities grew with industrialization. Next, Surat and Machilipatnam developed in 12th century. Next, the Delhi Improvement Trust was set up in 1936. Next is Howard Barker designs the city of Pretoria in South Africa. From the following statements, true, false, been selected. From this series based question, I'm going to choose number C option. Correct. First, in the Western world, modern cities grew in industrialization. It's true. Next, Surat and Machilipatnam developed in 20th century is false. Next question, the Delhi Improvement Trust was set up in 1936. It's true. And Howard Barker design in the city of Pretoria in South Africa. It's also true. Next question from here. Match the following cities of Delhi with their founder and choose the correct options. Column 1 and column 2. Column 1 city Jahanapur, Kotila, Firoz Shah and Dipanna. Column 2 has Humayun, Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. The correct classification from this columns, I'm going to choose the series from here. Option A. Why? Alauddin Khilji. First, Humayun is related to Firoz Shah Dipankar. Next is Alauddin Khilji related to Siri. Next, Muhammad bin Tughlaq is related to Kotla Firoz Shah. Next, Firoz Shah Tughlaq is related to Jahanabad. Okay, that is the main area from this part. Again, I am repeating, students, then whenever you starting your examination in that field, okay, make sure that you have to fill it up with a proper instruction. Darken that particular area inside the area of that circle in a very bold way. Like for example, number 1, A is correct, then you have to darken it out, inside it out in a very proper way. Okay. Number 2, suppose it is B is correct, then B you have to bold it out. Okay, and follow the instruction is a mandatory in this examination. So hope you enjoy this session. The very next session I'm going to discuss a new chapter. Thank you. Till then, see you soon.